Haber here, co-founder of the Coach Marketing Boutique Agency. Capitalize on the differentiator rooted in you. So let's talk about something every coach building a coaching program is. We're working hard, showing up, staying consistent, doing the work, and still something's not landing. Your coaching program feels off. You're not lazy, you're not unclear, you're just stuck. And this kind of stuff doesn't feel loud, it feels quiet. Like spinning your wheels while others fill their coaching programs. You tweak your messaging, relaunch the offer, post nonstop, but still, no momentum, no connection, no client traction. Here's the part most coaches of the coaching programs miss. Your coaching program isn't just a container. It's a catalyst. It should do the work for and with you, not fight against you. You need structure that sparks action, not just holds information. That's where our core offer blueprint comes in. It's a 4-part framework for coaching programs that convert and deliver. You start with clarity, naming the promise that pulls clients in. Then you structure your coaching program for simplicity and depth. Next, you message the magic using words that actually resonate. And finally, we align the ask, so you practice with confidence. But before all that, we name the momentum killers. The silent traps that sabotage even great coaching programs. Overteaching, misaligned offers, fear of the ask. Does that sound familiar? And this doesn't mean your coaching program is a failure. It means it's time to recalibrate before burnout sets in. So let me ask, which of these traps hits home for you? And which part of your coaching program still feels shaky? Drop it in the comments, as I'd really love to hear what you have to say. Because the gap between good coaching and good business is real. And a right coaching program closes that gap for good. Grab a hard truth coaching guide below. It's free and it's honest. Or book your differentiator evaluation call and let's walk through it. You'll find both links nearby, either above, below, or to the side, wherever you're watching this. So don't wait, let's start now. Look forward to meeting you. Take care.